Well, load after load after load going out of here. They have just wrapped up about 10 minutes ago, getting all their logs out of here. So we've been coming onto our main. We just got onto the main road here. We were down one of the side roads where they were finished, done working. And we just got our almost a full load taken off one of our burn piles. Some nice logs on here. But yeah, they've been going hard getting out to all these logs. We've been almost kind of keeping up here. We've been taking out between a load to 2 per day. Been slowly getting the yard there pretty stocked up there with logs. We're gonna have to get the range road pulled over in the next day or so here and start on some splitting because we're running out of room for our logs. But yeah, we're starting to get this load in. We got in today's video, I threw a GoPro on my head just on this past weekend here. We had a nice cold dip, so it was nice and low. Everything was all covered in snow, so it wasn't the best working, but I threw the GoPro onto the head there and got a little bit of a personal view. So we're gonna be throwing that in today's video. Got a little bit of footage of it. That GoPro kind of got pretty heavy on my hat there, and I took it off eventually. But we're out here on today. I just want to show you guys what the loggers left us here. So I got you guys turned around here. This is what they decided to leave us out here. We got about 3 or 4 of these nice little piles just along this main road here. We talked to the one logger there, and he was kindly enough to just bring out a few as he was building up these burn piles. But he brought us out a couple, some nice stuff here. Some of them are twisted just like this one. That one's almost like a candy cane, as you guys can see. We got 2 cracks, and they twirl right up there almost like a tornado. That one is gonna just become a really big pain in our processor. If I do the best thing I do with these things is just cut them up even smaller and then just hand split that stuff down. You're not going to get the nicest piece out of them, but it's still great burnable firewood. So we're going to probably leave those. We got another one right here. You can see it gets really twisted up out there. But we're going to leave some of these twisted up ones there. We're going to take these straight ones here first. This one right here, as you guys can see, we've got the nice crack just going straight down. That's going to be some nice straight grain stuff. So we're going to take out this stuff first, leave the other stuff just in case somebody else wants to come down here and grab some easy firewood, because we are like literally right beside the roadway here. It doesn't get much more easier than that. And like I said, we got about 3 or 4 piles down that way. He might have brought out a couple more at the very beginning there as they finished straight up. But leave a little bit for anybody else, and if nobody else does want that stuff, I'll be coming back here and just making it into our odds and ends firewood, because that's going to make a really nice wood for us to burn, or we can sell it at a really nice discount rate for somebody that doesn't want to spend as much on firewood but wants to still have a nice big fire. We're going to get this. We're going to finish up our load here. We could probably throw on another 5 or 6 logs probably on there. We're probably going to take this nice big thick guy. So I'm going to get you guys onto today's video with me on the GoPro, and then I'm going to get this guy finished loaded up, and we'll talk to you guys at the very end here. All right, and there we be. We got ourselves a full load, a little overloaded for this little F-150. As you guys can see, our hitch down there is probably about 6 inches off the ground. A little over a quart, I'd have to say, just on that load. But we're going to wrap that up for today's video, guys. I just want to show you guys the benefits of getting to know your local loggers. If you guys are able to have a logging area kind of near your wherever you're selling firewood. If you are, go out there or talk to them. They're really nice people. They'll get you, bring out some nice trees just like that. There's quite a few of them that they kind of leave in the burn piles, which kind of sucks still, but just for them to bring out a couple like this and then a few piles along and down the road, that's just really nice. And just really appreciate that. But that was our little gift from the loggers. I just want to show you guys kind of the benefits of getting to know your loggers in your area. But we're gonna wrap that up for today's video, guys. We got to get this load back into our yard, add to our pile, and we're getting pretty full in our yard. We're gonna have to get it in there with our processor soon here and get going. But we're gonna wrap that up for today's video, guys. Talk to you guys later on here this week. We are going to be going fishing probably another day or two, and we're going to upload that up for our next video. So wish me luck on catching some big old bull trout out of our Kananaskis area there. Beautiful views of the mountains out there. But we'll talk to you guys again later. Thanks for tuning into Armands High Life. Bye, guys.